Do you want to know how you can save your translation for later in Google Translate? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can save your translation in Google Translate. Go ahead and open Google on your Edge or Chrome browser and then log into your Google account. Now go ahead and click Google Apps and then click Translate. Now let us just detect a language and let's just do some translations over here. So it has detected the language, it's translated, and you can see it has been perfectly translated. You can see the Save Translation button over here. Go ahead and click it. This way it will be saved. Let me show it to you once again, guys. Go ahead and click Detect Language. Go ahead and type in what you want and you can paste it also. Go ahead and do it and then you can translate it, and you can see that there is a Save Translation button. Go ahead and click it and your translation will be saved. I hope this video about how you can save your translation was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.